Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Sanjay Lamthawang. Today I bring for you all wonton soup recipe. Please do watch video until the end. Follow the ingredients and instruction. Enjoy with your family, friends at your home, or you can use this recipe to at your work. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ सबैजनालाई। आज भने तपाईँहरू माझमा मैले वान्तन सुपको रेसिपी ल्याएर आएको छु र यो चाहिँ एकदमै लाइट एन्ड एकदमै पपुलर सुप पनि हो यो भने र नेपालमा पनि एकदम सिमिलर मिल्दोजुल्दो हाम्रो मोमोसँग मिल्दोजुल्दो सुप हो। त्यस कारणले गर्दाखेरि तपाईँहरूले घर परिवार पनि मजाले यो सुपलाई इन्जोय गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। साथसाथै तपाईँहरूले यो सुपको रेसिपीलाई तपाईँहरूले आफ्नो कार्यक्षेत्रमा पनि प्रयोग गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ है त। वान्तन सुप चाइना क्लियर ब्रथ recipe, delicate chicken broth with the tender dumplings, a classic comforting soup from Chinese cuisine. Wonton soup, China, serving portion 4, preparation time 25 minutes, cook time 20 minutes. Ingredients for the wonton 20 to 25 wonton wrappers, 200 gram, about 7-ounce ground chicken or pork or a mix, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon ginger grated, 1 cloves garlic minced, 2 tablespoon green onions finely chopped, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, salt and pepper to taste. For the soup, 6 cups chicken broth, clear homemade or store bought, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon ginger slice, 2 cloves garlic mashed, 1 or 2 teaspoons sesame oil, a few bok choy or napa cabbage leaves, optional. Garnish, chop scallion or cilantro. Instruction: make the wonton fillings. In a bowl, combine ground meat, soy sauce, sesame oil, ginger, garlic, scallion, cornstarch, salt, and pepper. Mix it oil. Assemble wonton. Place 1 teaspoon filling in the center of the wonton wrapper. Moisture adds with the water. Fold into a triangle. Press to seal. Then bring two corner together. Classic wonton shape. Prepare the broth in a large pot. Heat a chicken broth with soy sauce, ginger, and garlic. Simmer 10 to 15 minutes. Then strain out solids for a clear broth. Cook wonton. Bring broth back to a gentle boil. Drop wonton and cook 4 to 5 minutes until they float and filling in cooked throat. Add bok choy, napa cabbage if using, cook 2 minutes. Finish and serve. Stir in sesame oil. Ladle soup with wonton into bowls. Garnish with scallion or cilantro. Chef tips for variety: use shrimp and pork mix in the filling. Wonton can be made ahead and frozen. Cook from frozen and add 1 or 2 cooking time more. Add chili oil for a spicy Susan style twist. Thank you very much, everyone. Love you all. Please always do visit my profile. Have a look. Many more recipes are there and many posts are there. And if you have any question, you can send it to me direct message or you can comment any of my posts. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ सबैजनालाई। आज भने तपाईँहरू माझमा मैले सुपको रेसिपी ल्याएर प्रस्तुत गरिसकेँ र तपाईँहरूले यो लाई चाहिँ इन्जोय गर्नुहुन्छ भन्ने म एकदम भरपूर्ण विश्वास छु। हस्त मस्त रहनुहोस्, व्यस्त रहनुहोस्। सी यू नेक्स्ट इन द भिडियो। चाउ, लभ यु अल।